1931 Chevrolet Dually here at Unique, especially in classics. Inline 6-cylinder underneath the hood. That is paired up with a manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bright work up front here with the radiator surround, radiator guard. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see this truck from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where you can check out all the still pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, as far as the paint, it's got a little patina, maybe a battle scar here and there. Gives it that authentic truck look, personally. It's my opinion. Kind of a silver green. Green silver, I guess, if you will, as far as the color of it. Interior, black vinyl bench seat. This is a 12-volt system in this truck. Just to let you know, battery is actually located under the passenger side floorboard. Wooden bed with sides on it. Kind of a stake bed, I guess, if you will, with the sides, how they're set up. Be a fun truck for your local parades. Cruise-ins, roll-ins. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, take your time looking through those still pictures. Those can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're into these early 30s trucks or just early 30s vehicles in general, maybe like old classic Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase right off our website or showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. And again, you can see paint is not perfect on it. Metal, it's, like I said, it's got some battle wounds. It's been worked a little bit. But again, that's kind of the nostalgia of having a truck like this where it's fitting. It's got a history to it. It didn't just roll off the showroom floor, never been driven, anything like that. Now this truck, every time I go to start it up, it just pops right off. That inline 6 fires right up. And we're going to do that. I'll show you the engine bay. We'll pop one of the sides of the hood so you can check that out. And we'll take this truck for a drive at the end of the video. Show you how it goes down the road. Of course, the push button start on the floor. Do have a choke that's out just a tad, and that seems to be the sweet spot. So we can turn the key right here, push this button, and that's how this baby starts up every time. We are in neutral. See the old gauge cluster. This thing just purrs. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back. There's really not a lot to hear on this one. It's pretty quiet. It's a smooth running old truck. Alright, let's see here. Let me pause this a second. I want to get one of the sides of the hood open so we can at least see the engine with it running. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see both sides. So let me pause this a second, and like I said earlier, stick around to the very end of the video. We'll take this truck for a drive. Alright, so I got one of the sides of the hoods open. I also wanted to show you these blinkers just because I think they're cool. So it does obviously have blinkers set up on it, but I wanted to click on the right one here, or passenger side, and how they have the inlay that make it look like the arrow tells the oncoming traffic you are turning right. Pretty cool. And I want to let you know it had a blinker set up on it, obviously. Here's that engine bay, inline 6. See how smooth that's running. Pretty cool old truck, 1931 Chevrolet. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. 507-386-1726, number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1931 Chevrolet flatbed pickup truck. Very nice aqua color on this truck. This is a 4-speed manual on the floor. Our amps are showing charging above 0 on the gauge. Temperature is in the normal range on the gauge. Oil pressure is looking good, about 5 to 10. Our speedometer does move. I'm going to start out second, because first gear is kind of a stump puller. You don't usually need the first gear on this truck because it's very low. It currently takes a little bit of choke to get full throttle. I am double clutching to get between the gears without any grinds, but it shifts nicely. This has been running approximately 15 minutes and the temperature is in the normal range. The speedometer says we're doing about 20 to 25. That is a comfortable speed for this truck. Being a heavy-duty truck with dualies in the back, originally made for working. This truck starts really easily. I pushed the foot pedal and she fired right up. Idles nicely. Goes down the road as you would expect. Firm suspension on this work truck, but it feels good on this nice flat road. We have a vinyl bench seat that is comfortable. I sit up nice and high, I can see everything. Just a simple truck, not a lot of bells and whistles, but it's a good runner. It goes down the road nicely. It does have extra lights mounted to the fenders and an awesome wood flatbed. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.